morning. In this question, we are given a cuboid ABCDEFGH, which is a cuboid here, and the length AB is given to be 4 centimeters, BC is given to be 3 centimeters, and AG, that is the length of the diagonal of the cuboid, that is given to be the 12 centimeters. We need to calculate the angle that AG makes with the base ABCD. If we consider the base ABCD, this base A, B, C, and D, this is 4 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. First, we can find out the value of the diagonal, that is AC. On having the cross section of this base, it looks something like this: A, B, C, D. That is, the base is the rectangle, which is perpendicular at angle B. AB is 4 centimeters and BC is 3 centimeters. From here, we get the value of AC with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16 gives us 25. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to 5 centimeters, as root 25 is equal to 5. Now, in order to find out the angle AG makes with the base ABCD, we use the cosine rule. We need to find out the angle GAC. Let it be equal to some x. From there, we get cos of x, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 12. From here, we get the value of x is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 12. On substituting this value in the calculator, we get this to be 65.37 degrees, which can also be approximated to 65.4 degrees. Therefore, the answer to this question is 65.37 or 65.4 degrees. This entire question fetches us 4 marks. If we find out the side AC with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, till here it fetches us 1 mark. The rest of the calculations fetches us 3 marks. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.